remember when I shared that listing for Xun Del Sesto in Chicago? Guess what? I'm here. Let's go take a look at it. Well, we're in, and here is Xun Del Sesto. Hi, Xun.
Hi, Jacqueline. Welcome to Chicago, and welcome to this beautiful open house. I'd love to give you a house tour.
Let's
Follow
go.
me. Yes, yeah. So this is we call Chicago row home, that you do share two walls with your neighbor. However, as you see, we live as a single family house. So it is categorized as a detached single family home. And it's completely rebuilt in 2024 in the highest construction quality, as you can see, with 11 feet tall high ceilings. And the light fixture is very bespoke, and the panels to add a touch of elegance. And the floor plan is open floor plan. It's perfect for everyday living. Also for entertaining. The homeowner had put so much thought into everything. So take a look. Refrigerator. This is beautiful. What a great kitchen. We have dishwasher. We have all the wall appliances, and then we even have a wine fridge. And these custom built cabinets are just unbelievably stunning.
They are gorgeous, Xun.
Yeah, practical too. And this space is in the heart of the city. It's open this way. Come take a look. It's landscaped.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Yes. How charming this. And the 3 stained glass windows she bought from London. They were antique.
Look at them. They're so beautiful.
Yes.
And it just fits with their character of
Absolutely.
the whole city.
Yes, look how beautiful, right? We have a grilling station and the bluestone, paved patio deck. Under this deck is steel. Steel deck, but paved with bluestone. On the deck are 2 car parking.
Oh.
Yeah, yes.
I got lucky and found parking at Lincoln.
Yes, oh, you're very, very lucky. The parking genie, I think she favors you. That's why it's so easy. Yeah. This is a framed art TV. It's actually a TV. Look how tall how tall these custom built cabinets are.
I would never get to the top, that's for sure.
We have ladders, something called a ladder. You can utilize. Yeah, absolutely. I want you, moving down to look at these floors. They are set in a very regal herringbone pattern. These are white oak floors. White oak floor, beautiful stairs, new powder room, and
Have a guess.
yeah, this is a powder
Oh,
room.
I love the wallpaper here.
Oh, the wallpaper correlates to the design of the furniture.
Oh,
of the
wow.
chair. If you take a look.
Yeah, look at this.
Yes, absolutely. And then look at the wallpaper. So the home is built with love and passion. All the thoughtfulness, all the meticulous planning and designing as well.
Wow, let's go take a look at the rest of the house.
Yeah. Bed, you can adjust these for your desired privacy. As I said, it's so thoughtful. You have beautiful window. Plantation shutter, you can adjust your privacy and desired privacy, and it's treetop bills.
And even though we're on Lincoln Park,
On Fullerton, it's a busy street, but because the building is set back as well as the top-notch construction quality, it's very quiet inside. Extremely quiet inside.
look at this beautiful bathroom.
Isn't that amazing? Marble floor, porcelain herringbone pattern, and a total toilet. There's even a teak wood seat. Yes.
Like I'm ready.
Yes, teak wood.
Oh, this is beautiful.
This is completely custom built. The dual sink vanity.
I love this uses of this page right there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Very
Maple,
smart. Yeah.
maple, yes, with this inlay. It's just absolutely gorgeous.
And let's take a look at the
These
closet.
are excellent quality, and you see, let's see what's in there. You have built-in lighting.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yes,
So spacious.
very spacious. A lot of details. You can do so many things.
So down the hallway, we find the rest of the bedrooms. I didn't take you into this bathroom, but let's take a look at this
Your
one.
pocket door. Pocket door. Once you open, it's an ensuite.
That allows for a lot of more space for an arrangement of your furniture, and you still have a good-sized closet to the left.
Very, and this is a very coveted laundry closet.
Oh,
With
I
two
love the
full-size
backsplash in there.
Isn't that beautiful?
And look at the doorknobs.
Yes, it's consistent throughout the
Oh,
entire house.
beautiful details. Obviously, the brain of the house right
yeah.
here.
Zone heating and cooling as well. This is a built-in linen cabinet, Jacqueline. Built-in linen cabinet. Take a look. So the seller really, or the owner, really left no stone unturned. She left no stone unturned. Every single detail she thought about.
Oh, this is beautiful.
All closets are custom built.
Custom built
out,
closets.
yeah. And upgraded tall, solid interior doors and exterior doors. High ceiling, and look the vent. Those vents are very costly each. Look those vents.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful living room.
I know.
Okay, so this is a gorgeous home. More marble again, and this takes you out to the backyard, to the parking space. This is gorgeous.